Welcome to the third lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Specification Level 2, focusing on the method of writing jumpsuit specifications. Right-click on the relevant piece, then select to set the mirrored split setup count. Set it to 2 segments, then set the relevant dimensions. Copy it to the relevant position and adjust the stitch count. Narrowing starts slowly and then accelerates. This is the method for jumpsuits. This lesson mainly focuses on making jumpsuits using mirrored split setup method. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.